Hello everybody. Today we are going to take a look at Leetcode question 1910. Remove all occurrences of a substring. So we are given two strings s and part. We have to keep removing the substring part from s until there is no part remaining in s. Let's look at an example. So we are given the string s to be equal to this and part is abc. We have to keep removing part from s if it is a substring of s, right? So if we take a look at uh, the string s, there is ABC here and here, but we have to remove the leftmost occurrence first. So after removing the leftmost occurrence, we are left with D, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, C, B, C, B, C, sorry, right? And now if we take a look at this and again search for this part, and it is present here and there is no, this is the leftmost occurrence. There's nothing else on the left. So we have to remove this again now. And after removing, we are left with D, A, B, A, B, C. And then if we take a look now again this is the substring ABC present. Then again we remove this occurrence and we are left with DAB. So if we take a look at this, we can iteratively just loop through the string and try to check if part is present in the string and then remove the first occurrence, right? Uh, this is okay. So after the brute force, we can think about using a stack because we have to keep track of these strings and then we have to remove those as soon as we find the first occurrence of that substring, right? So we can create a stack, right? Stack, and then we can keep adding the characters one after another. So D, A, A, B, and after adding each character, we just make sure the top K characters are not equal to part. K being the length of the part string, right? So we add B, we add C. If we take a look at the top of the stack, that is A, B, C is equal to part. So we can pop these characters out of the stack, right? And then we continue again, and then we add B, we add A, we add A, we add B, we add C. Again, we pop this because this is equal to the top of the this is equal to the part string. And again, we add B, we add C. Now, if we take a look again, the A, B, C again are equal to the part string. So again, we can pop these three characters out, right? And whatever remains, so D remains, A remains, and B, this B, A, D. So these three characters are what remains, and this is what the result is, DAB, right? So we can use stack. Let's implement this solution using stacks. So what we have to do is we have to first create a stack. Now we'll loop through the string S. For each character in S, we just add this character to the top of the stack, and we have to just make sure if the length of the stack is greater than or equal to length of part, and if the top of the stack matches part. So we'll write a helper function here called match that will take the stack and it will take part, and it will either return true or false if it matches. And if it matches, we know that we have to remove the top k characters, where k being the length. So for each, like, we can write a loop top. So we remove the top characters from stack if it matches, right? And in the end, whatever remains, we have to return that. We have to convert it in a string return, right? So we can write the helper function here, match, which takes the stack and the part string. We have to match the top k characters, right? So we know that the top k characters we can get it by using uh, this, so length of stack minus length of part So we are trying to get the subsequence of stack where it starts at index length of stack minus length of part and it ends at the end of the stack. Convert this to a string by doing dot join, and then this should be equal to part. This will give us a boolean. This will either return true or false depending on whether it matches the 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 top of the stack matches part or not. Let's run the test cases. Okay, looks good. Let's submit it. Submitted. Thank you.